All right, guys, real quick before they come and try to take me off of here or take me to jail, whatever. I don't know. In case you want to see, I am on the rocks. See how beautiful it is out here? It was a mission to get here, but I'm here and I made it. All right. So as you guys may know, my channel is about meditation. What am I doing out here? I'm in search of the perfect place for meditation. I'm in search of the perfect video, the perfect shot for my meditation channel, for my meditation viewers, for you guys. So here's what I want to do. I'm gonna keep searching high and far until I find that perfect spot. Meanwhile, you guys like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Anyway, if you guys think this is a good spot to meditate, let me know. I'll come out here and shoot a video for you guys. In the meanwhile, I'm going back to searching until I find that perfect shot, until I find that best, that unique vibration, if you know what I mean. I'm not gonna stop. High and far means wide and low, everywhere. Doesn't matter where I go. But I'm gonna search. And until I find the right shot for you guys, I won't stop. Okay, guys? If you got anything out of this video, let me know in the comments. If you didn't, stay tuned for more videos. Trust me, you'll get something out of it. I'm all about meditation, self-love. See, that's the kind of disruption I'm running into. And I don't want that. That's not a perfect shot for me. That's not the right shot. So I have to find it. Okay, guys? Stay tuned.